Well, hi, boys and girls. You may remember a little while ago I had a chance to have a look at or talk about the fact that the next generation iPhone is going to be basically showing up without a little transformer. So that plug got quite a bit of response, and so today what we're going to do is we're going to have a look at the iPhone that Corey just bought. So this is a iPhone 12 Pro, and I should mention Monroe has a lot of iPhones. Actually, there are 3 iPhone 11s right here that we're using right now to film this little episode. This is a kind of a big deal for Corey. That's why he's let me unwrap it to have a look at what I think of what's going on. So I'm going to be looking at this and seeing what I think. But the first thing I think I want to talk about is this incredible amount of travel that this thing has come from. So it started off at Zhengzhou. It stopped at 2 or 3 places. Then I went to Incheon, that's in South Korea. Then I went to Anchorage. Then I went to Louisville. Then I went to Romulus, Michigan. Then Pontiac, Michigan, and then ultimately it showed up here in Auburn Hills. And then I looked at this, and it says, "Return to Palo Alto, California." So a box like this literally went halfway around the world, actually more than halfway around the world, to get here. And I can't believe it. I looked up here and it says the shipping date is October the 29th, 2020. That means that this box all by itself has been shipped individually. Let me just tell you that a box about this size, based on about 10 million, this would be somewhere between, I don't know, a dime, 10 cents, 10, 11 cents for the box. Okay, so let's just have a look. Let's open this up. Well, I underestimated the box. This will probably be about another penny or so, maybe a little bit more. Oh, no more than that. So now we're looking at a fair amount of extra money. What they're doing here is this is so that whatever you get arrives safely. Now, when we did the little talk on the charger, I said that the box is going to be smaller. So this looks like it's made out of plastic. Nope, it isn't. It's a very fancy box. So here's the plastic wrap. And then under here we've got the business. Here's the real iPhone. So the box is spectacular. Plenty of money in that. They've got a little lifter, which I kind of like for the iPhone, or for anything that's this expensive. The top wrap is protecting the glass, which is good. Thing looks simply marvelous. And as they stated, they're not going to bother with the plug designed by Apple in California. What's this? Something. Oh, you put on your own sticker. I don't know whether you put that sticker on your window or whether you stick it on the back of this. I should warn you, I don't own an iPhone. I don't make enough money. But we have here the way that they've put it together. They're using a much different sort of a clip for the wiring. We do a lot of wiring assessments and analysis. This is kind of very cutesy. You'll notice that it's kind of a little ring that helps you align it and then puts it together. like a little origami thing. This looks pretty much standard, except the new style connector. So this product looks absolutely fabulous. The box is a little smaller, but I can tell you for sure there's plenty of room underneath it for other stuff. And for some reason or other, it feels relatively heavy for the size of the box. This box is expensive. I don't know. We'd have to check this out, but this is much more expensive than a standard run-of-the-mill type of box. But if you're spending this kind of money, I guess that's what has to happen. Anyhow, so here you have it. This is the new iPhone 12 Pro, and Corey is not going to let me take it apart, at least not yet. So maybe next time we'll be able to rip one of these things to pieces and see what's inside. So thank you all, and have a great day. And I hope that we can do something again after Corey's had this for a couple of weeks and tell you how dazzling it is. He's definitely an iPhone kind of guy. Anyway, tip the cashiers, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye now.